Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. I'm here to set up my monthly for the month of November. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's hard to believe that we only literally have one more month in this year and 2020 will be out of here. I am hoping and praying for a very, very different 2021. And by different, I mean prosperous, all good things for everybody, because 2020 has literally been one hell of a year. If I had to say any good things about 2020, it was the birth of my son and an opportunity to get back into education. So that, I will say, was the great part about 2020. But let's hope for a better and prosperous 2021. So with all that being said, let's get a few housekeeping rules out of the way. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe to my channel and watching my content. If you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. You guys know that I love you guys so much. Thank you to all of those who have given me love and support. I greatly appreciate it. I will announce that right now Erin Condren is having a 20% off sale. If you wish to purchase anything, I do have affiliate links in the description box below. Those affiliate links don't cost you anything, does not change the price of any product. All it does is let Erin Condren know that you like my content, that you clicked my link, and that you purchased through my link. I do make a small commission, and what I do with that is that I take those funds and I purchase new items for the channel. With your help and your love and your support, I was able to purchase the Budget Mom Budget by Paycheck workbook, and I will be bringing content with that very soon. So again, thank you each and every one of you. Also, if this is going to be your first purchase from Erin Condren, I do have a $10 off coupon or $10 off link below. If this is your first time with using that particular email address, it gives you $10 and it gives me $10 in store credit. So if this is your first time, go ahead and use that link as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a kit by Wild Summer Designs, and this is their November kit. It's so pale, you guys, and my lights are so bright. Let me see if I can adjust the ISOs on here. Then that'll make it too dark. But this is their November kit. It displays like Thanksgiving dinner. I love this kit. This is so beautiful. So you have the strip headers with the days of the week. You have more strips that go where the days are not in November. And you have your sidebar. You can choose between either the check boxes or the decorative. I usually do the decorative because I like this fall bucket list. This is cute. So let's see if we can mark some of these things off, okay? And then you have your date dots, bill due, payday, some decor. This is so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you in. I don't have much going on. Just a birthday and a brunch, and I'm sure some stuff will come up as the month goes on. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to zoom you in and we are going to get started. this is what this looks like so far. Fall back, we get an extra hour of sleep. For people like me, I don't. I don't get an extra hour of sleep. So that's gonna be kind of hard. So I have a couple of decorative boxes here. I wanted to use one for my niece's birthday, but I may end up using this decorative piece that says, what does it say? Oh, that says Black Friday. Oh, let's go ahead and just throw that on Black Friday. Why not? Awesome. Okay, I wanted to use, where did I put it? I'm about to sneeze. Try not to sneeze. These sinuses are killing me. So if I sound kind of off, that would be the reason. I did have a champagne flute I was going to use, but it was pink. But she likes pink. Oh, but it really wouldn't go with this kit. Oh. Anyway, let's see what I have in Kenzie's Creations. I have some samples here. I need to order more stickers. I've been on a... I did good. I bought no stickers in October, you guys. I bought no stickers. Can you believe it? And I wasn't even trying to go on a no-buy. It just happened. So let's see what I have. Clean. Ah, I do. I have a happy birthday here for my baby. So, do I want to put it on one of these with some deco? I think I'm gonna do this little rose right here, because my girl is so sweet. So we're gonna put that right here, and then this is in rose gold from Kenzie's Creations. And I'm just gonna pull this happy birthday sticker. And this will be happy birthday for my niece. Pull it up just a little bit. There we go. That's cute. And then I'll put the date dot 18 right there. I didn't put it there before because I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna use it. Use a full box right there or what. So that's from Kenzie's Creations. So you guys that get these stickers, keep your freebies, your sample sheets, because I'm telling you, they come in handy. So I'm looking through to see what I have. Chic Blossom Prints, Planning City. What do I have with Planning City that I can use? Oh, I don't have anything. Okay. I don't have anything for Planning City. I know I have a bunch of coffee cups and computers from Chic Blossom Prints, so we're gonna bypass. I'm trying to find something for brunch. This rose, but it's in gold. It's not in rose gold. Crap. I bought a lot of these on her $2 Tuesday. Like, I went ham. Oh my gosh. Like, it was crazy. I love these though. All right. Let's see if we can find something for brunch. I may... Trying to think, what should I do for brunch? What should I do for brunch? This is the spring collection from the Crafty Banana. Something pale. No, I need to up my coffee cup game too with her. Her coffee cups are very pretty. Let's see. And of course the 26th is Thanksgiving. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this Black Friday sticker down here. These are not advertised as removable, so remove at your own risk. I will say it. And I'm going to put this cute little pumpkin Dutch oven right there to symbolize Thanksgiving. And then I'm going to put the 26 right there. Okay. So that will signify Thanksgiving. I guess I'll use this for brunch. Put it in the box. And then use the date dot, the 15th there. Okay. And that'll just signify that we're having brunch that day. Me and a couple of girlfriends were going out for brunch. Pending COVID situations. Now I just want to put down some of this random deco. This deco just randomly throughout the spread. My neighbor in his loud truck. Election day. You guys, please just get out and vote. I don't care who you vote for. Just vote. Just vote. Let's see. I like putting the deco just in random spots. Let's see. I like this ear of corn. I'm gonna put that right here on a Saturday. I really want to do this. There's a pumpkin patch near me. I don't know where a corn maze is. I want to make caramel apples. We watch football every Saturday. Yes, I have to rake leaves. I don't know about a bonfire. I'll try to make a pie. And of course, I'm always giving thanks. So let's see how that works out. I like these little boots, and I'm gonna just place them right there. If you guys haven't noticed, I love the deco pieces in these kits from Wild Summer Designs. So we're gonna put these pumpkins. I have 1, 2 on this. 1, 2, 3. 3. This week does not have a deco piece, so we'll put it right there on a Wednesday. And since we'll still be eating leftovers, no, don't want to use that one just yet. I'll use the other ear of corn. We'll use this ear of corn on the first. How about that? This is turning out real cute. And then of course we'll put payday, which payday is technically the first for my husband, but he gets paid that Friday before because the payday is on a Sunday. And then he'll get paid on the 13th because the 15th falls on a Sunday. So, and then I'll get paid, oh wow, I may get paid on the 25th because technically the 30th is on a Monday, but everything's gonna be closed these 2 days. So, yeah, I may get paid on the 25th. And my little payday sticker just ripped. So this is a pending payday. Pending. There we go. All right, let's see how this is looking so far. What do you guys think? And of course, as the month goes in, I will come in and adjust, you know, write things down. I didn't do such a good job in October because I didn't come back and put anything down. And you guys, I had this completely wrong. October, this little portion right here, October was supposed to go over here. This was supposed to go over here along with this. So I totally messed that up. That's why I didn't film it, because I realized, I was like, oh crap, I messed this up. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna put it out because that was crazy. Kind of like how November is supposed to be over here, this October is supposed to be over here. So yeah, I goofed that up. Yeah, I goofed that up big time. This time I got it right. This time I got it right. I made sure that I had it right, you guys. So again, my niece's birthday is this day. We're having brunch that day. Thanksgiving, Black Friday. This is supposed to be the Iron Bowl, Alabama versus Auburn. Don't know if they've changed that particular date, because usually this is rivalry week for everybody. Like, everybody faces their biggest rival in Division I football. So we'll see. We'll see. And of course, I'll come back in December and show you my December monthly, and then show you how this turned out. But again, this is the November kit from Wild Summer Designs. I absolutely love it. It is cute. I love the deco pieces that are in it. Yeah. So again, stay tuned for the December monthly to see how this turned out. I'm gonna try to remember to add stuff in. You guys please hold me accountable for that. So I have to just remember to go in and write stuff each day. This is how my November monthly turned out. I'm absolutely in love with this spread. I love the deco pieces that are in it. I love the decorative sidebar. This is so cute. Can't wait till Thanksgiving. Again, this is my niece's birthday. This is to signify that me and a couple of girlfriends are going to brunch. Of course, we're gonna do this safely. But other than that, you guys, that is it. If you're new to my channel, welcome again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. If you're returning, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Remember, I do have affiliate links down below. So that is it, you guys. I will just come back for the December monthly, so you'll know how the November monthly turned out. But other than that, you guys, that is it. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.